Hi guys, so this video is going to be another review video. Yes, I know I'm going to be posting a video every single day, every weekday in the month of May. So from Monday to Friday you're going to get a new video from me, girl. So I have a lot of things to talk about, and I can finally zone in on products that I'm absolutely in love with, and products that you need in your makeup artist kit, products that you need. Oh my god, I need to show you guys my makeup artist kit. That video is gonna be turned. But anyway, I'm gonna talk about the foundation. I mean, my powder, my Press powder from Black Opal, my true color. Boo boo, honey, this is what life looks like. This is what getting your life is. This, girl. This press powder is okay. So my color is 700 deep, right? And it says ultra matte foundation powder. I never expected it to. Jonathan, I'm doing something. I'm busy. So Gigi calling you there. Yeah, Gigi. I never expected me to love this the way I do. I'm talking, this thing goes well with my L'Oreal True Match N9. This thing goes well with my Sacha Camouflage Foundation in Perfect Spice. This thing is like, it's like, I don't know, it's like some kind of Maverick, you know, it's like some kind of a MacGyver powder, you know what I mean? Like, how do you match everything? What are you doing? What are you on? Who made you? Can they make me too? This thing is, what I mean, I know, yeah, kit worthy. You definitely need this in your kit. Full coverage. Even if my foundation is a full coverage, this will give me the coverage I need. This is my coverage finisher, boo-boo. I don't know, this is it for me. I love it so much. You guys know how much I love Black Opal press powders, but this one, I love it. And I've hit pan. Oh my god, I love it to bits and pieces. Again, my color is in 700 deep, but I had to come by and show you guys that this is a press powder that I've been using for the past couple of videos, for the past couple of months. I've actually hit pan and I've actually bought another one. This thing is absolutely amazing, flawless. It photographs beautifully, and as you can see, I'm in natural light. I'm not using any studio light whatsoever, and this thing is giving me everything, mama, everything. That's it. I will not go any longer. Hopefully I can like just condense into 2 minutes, but I'm glad I'm actually doing a video from Monday to Friday for the month of May, because I can zone in on products that I truly love, and products that I think you need, and products that I think you need to give a try. Yeah, so that's basically it for this one, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, on Instagram, and everywhere else you can find LyricRochester. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and bye bye.